active and involved in sports, injuries can happen at any time, but that doesn't mean you have to live with pain. Dr. Rudy Gari from Florida Pain Relief Group is back to tell us what they can do to help. Welcome back, Dr. Gari.
Thank you very much.
Let's talk about some of the common sports injuries that you see at the office.
Sure. Common sports injuries are usually former athletes. We've had a lot of professional athletes as well.
We know they get injured a lot.
A lot.
And they want to get better fast. They don't want to be out for a long time.
Yes, yes. You know, your body wasn't meant to be taking that kind of abuse and punishment on a regular basis. And that tends to affect your joints, your muscles, some of the nerves. So it's just a lot of chronic pain that can be endured. You know, from that. Sure.
Well, let's just say I'm out there and I get injured. At what point do I have to stop icing it at home and come see you?
Sure. So, you know, any time that your pain lasts longer than what it should, if it's more than like a typical bruise and that sort of stuff, like you know how long it should last. If it lasts longer, you should come in and see someone like myself, so that we can make sure that nothing more than a typical bruise has occurred.
Well, I'm a golfer, and I know that I've had my share of aches and pains. What are some of the types of pain that you see in golfers that come see you?
We see a lot of repetitive motion in golfers. So if you think about the action of the golfer, there's a lot of lower back. So that your lower back wasn't meant to twist so much. So we see a lot of low back problems, joint problems, and lots of low backache.
And how can you help somebody with that?
Well, you know, we've talked before about inflammation, and it's the same thing. So that constant abuse and that twisting causes inflammation of your joints, your spine, so forth. We can go in with techniques that do not involve surgery to reduce the inflammation of your lower back, which will help significantly and help you get your life back.
Is there anything we can do at home ourselves to prevent the pain?
Sure. So one thing you can do is, number one, make sure that you always use proper technique whenever you do any sort of exercise.
Easy for you to say.
That's true. You know, just take care of yourself. You know, regular exercises, core exercises.
Core. That's so important.
Core is very important.
And when you say core exercises, it's more than just getting on the ground and doing sit-ups, right?
That's correct.
What should we be doing to strengthen our core?
Well, anything, like for example, one of the things you can do is you can get on all fours. And that's one of the most effective ways to strengthen your core is when you're almost like very flat.
Right.
That causes your entire core muscles to contract.
Okay.
Try doing that for 20, 30 seconds, and then try to go up to about 1 to 2 minutes if you can.
So let's say this method is not working. We're still in a lot of pain. What's the next step? What's the consultation like when we come to see you?
The next step is you want to come in and see a physician like myself, because we're going to take a very thorough history, physical examination, and depending on what that shows, do some imaging studies. Maybe an MRI, an X-ray, find out what's going on. You may have something that's a lot more that's going on there that is going to need some intervention.
Right. And it might not mean a whole lot of physical therapy. It might be a quick fix, but it might be something that you have to do.
That's right. That's correct.
Okay. Good stuff, Dr. Gari. If you want relief from back pain or any kind of pain, or you've had that tweak and you just can't get rid of it, you can make same-day appointments at Florida Pain Relief Group. Be sure to visit their website. It is floridapainreliefgroup.com, or give them a call today at 844-KICK-PAIN. Daytime. We'll be right back.